Hello everyone! In this video I want to introduce you a device which will allow you to control your media capturing systems from AREC and other brands. Welcome RADA Touch. You can simply connect it using HDMI or VGA cables for video, USB cable for touch control. You can even connect your headphones to monitor sound levels on your devices. Let's see how it works. Here you can preview the video that you're going to record or stream. Also, you can change overlays, layouts, backgrounds, or all of it together applying themes. These buttons you can use to start, pause, and stop video recording and streaming. You can see the playback of the videos already recorded on that station. You can see a mixed video or individual video sources. You can also download them to your USB flash drives or delete them. This menu will allow you to control pan, tilt, zoom settings of your cameras. It is very easy. Also, you can choose what content you're going to show to your local audience. You can change video sources to show or show all of them together. RADA Touch works perfectly with our speaker tracking system DS9CU. By connecting RADA Touch to DS9CU, you can see all the video sources connected to the station. Also, you can control pan, tilt, zoom settings of the devices. You can choose the video source, which will be shown through the station's focused view output. RADA Touch also works perfectly with DS-AC1 control station. Here you can control multiple video sources, entire rooms even filled with third-party devices. Also, you can preview and control multiple media stations from AREC. Please scan the QR code at the end of the video and arrange personalized video demonstration. Thank you for your attention and see you at the demo.